Welcome to Video 7, Areas of Shapes. This video covers the area formulae for all common shapes, with aviation examples such as wing panels and skin sections. Area is the amount of surface a flat shape covers, measured in square units such as square meters or square centimeters. In aviation, area calculations are used for wing surface area, which affects lift, skin panel area for repairs, cross-sectional area for stress calculations, and heat exchanger surface area for cooling efficiency. For a rectangle, area equals length times width. For example, a skin panel measuring 2.5 meters by 1.2 meters has an area of 3.0 square meters. For a square, all sides are equal, so area equals side squared. An access panel with 0.5 meter sides has an area of 0.25 square meters. For a triangle, area equals base times height divided by 2. A gusset plate with a base of 40 centimeters and height of 25 centimeters has an area of 40 times 25 divided by 2, which equals 500 square centimeters. For a circle, area equals pi times radius squared. A piston bore with a radius of 4 centimeters has an area of pi times 4 squared, which is 50.3 square centimeters. A sector is a slice of a circle. Its area equals the fraction of the full angle times pi r squared. A 90-degree sector with radius 4 centimeters is a quarter of the full circle, giving an area of 12.57 square centimeters. For a parallelogram, area equals base times perpendicular height, same formula as a rectangle. A bracket with base 30 centimeters and height 12 centimeters has an area of 360 square centimeters. For a trapezium, add the two parallel sides, divide by 2, then multiply by height. With parallel sides 20 and 35 centimeters and height 15 centimeters, the area is 412.5 square centimeters. Composite shapes are made of two or more simple shapes joined together. Split the shape into rectangles, triangles, or circles, calculate each area separately, then add them together. For this panel shaped like a rectangle topped with a triangle, rectangle area is 2.4 times 1.4 comma equals 3.36 square meters. Triangle area is 2.4 times 1.0 divided by 2 equals 1.2 square meters. Total area is 3.36 plus 1.2 comma equals 4.56 square meters. Pause now and try this. A circular inspection hatch has a radius of 6 centimeters. Calculate its area using pi equals 3.1416. Area equals pi times radius squared. 3.1416 times 6 squared, which is 3.1416 times 36, gives 113.1 square centimeters. Question 1. A rectangular panel is 1.5 meters by 0.8 meters. What is its area? Pause and choose your answer. The answer is B, 1.2 square meters. 1.5 times 0.8 equals 1.2. Question 2. A triangle has a base of 12 centimeters and height of 8 centimeters. What is its area? Pause and choose your answer. The answer is B, 48 square centimeters. Base times height divided by 2. 12 times 8 is 96, divided by 2 is 48. Question 3. A circle has a radius of 5 centimeters. What is its area? Using pi equals 3.14 question mark, pause, and choose your answer. The answer is B, 78.5 square centimeters. Pi times radius squared. 3.14 times 5 squared, which is 3.14 times 25 equals 78.5. Here is your reference card for areas. Rectangle, length times width. Square, side squared. Triangle, base times height divided by 2. Circle, pi times radius squared. Parallelogram, base times height. Trapezium, average of the parallel sides times height. That is video 7 complete. You can now calculate the area of any standard shape and break composite shapes into simple parts. Video 8 covers volumes.